Welcome. I'm Leilani, and I'm here to show you how easy it is for you to use and care for your Gelid products for maximum cooling effectiveness. We will look at how to activate, reuse, and store your Gelid products. This will ensure you get the longest life possible. To begin, place your product in room temperature water for 10 minutes. Although not necessary, ice water works great. You'll notice the active gel swell inside the product. After the product is fully hydrated, take it out of the water and roll it in a towel to dry its surface. The product is ready to use slightly wet, or you can let it sit out for a few minutes to allow the surface to dry completely. I hope you enjoy your new Gelid products for years to come. To ensure that happens, you'll want to dry the product completely before storing it, similar to a wetsuit. Thanks for watching, and remember, performance is measured in degrees.